Hello, this is Joey Melly from Hannah Montana. It's on allavailagement.com, and today is Saturday, September 14th, 2019, and let me have to take a look at the license in this station that has recorded. So let's get started right here. What did you have to see here is that you got the Big Sky Country right here. All right, Andrea. I need you to help me separate the towel.
Keep that there.
I want you to get this and lift the page. It looks like a newspaper, like this.
You can't show me license plate.
Havre Blue Ponies. I have to see that way. And I got the Ford logo on your back right here. This is a virtual stupidity. It said Havre Ford. Call 265-2246. Explorer by Eddie Bauer. Uh-oh. I didn't sound good. Oh, speaking of light bulb, thanks for Home Depot. You got 4x4 on it. Pretty neat. It said find yourself in Havre. Oh, you can fix it. So there's a number 5 and the 20. So I was wrecked today. I got the Rocky the Raccoon on your back of a car on it. This little deck, if you press this twice, you can use the 2010 Havre Ford Explorer. That's the easiest way. Back in October, and why I'm doing this for it. I have to get this, taking this off for it. You're gonna have to see here is that I'm gonna have to see halfway and get to get the message particularly. Then they're doing it at the same time. Because you think have to do it, and it got the Havre Ford production process. For a second also, that you always just have to see it, and I always just have to do it. You have to press this button in here. It's almost like a drunk. It's a Faye Family and Friends on your back of a car. Oh, got the Haven bag set up. Unless you see that way, I always just got these buttons right here, and I always just have to do it, and I always just have to do it. I have to see it. So this thing have to do like that, and I'm gonna get this. Oh, there we go. Let me go ahead and exit this video, and I'm gonna wreck it. I'll just have to see you again soon. This is Joey Melly, sign off. Goodbye.